Well, one, that's what's really interesting about it is the best results that you get are the ones that you aren't expecting. And the other thing too is I don't have a narrative with my tests. I'm agnostic to the result. It's the result for the result. And I think where maybe some people get in trouble is getting married to the result, because then it fits maybe a course that they're selling, or yeah, and then you get that confirmation bias towards those sorts of things. But I think if you can take your pride out of the situation and just look at what the result is, then you can see a bad result for the good result that it actually is, because it led you to another discovery. It was kind of funny. We were just running a test with some people in our group, somebody that I mentor, and it was just putting just an email on the page. Is this a positive or negative factor? And what's interesting is it keeps demoting the page. So now that can't be a negative factor, right? So there's something else going on there. And so now we're in the process of figuring out what could that other thing be? What is actually happening on this page? Is it we're adding some extra code? Is it that it's not a real email address? Is it so like now we're playing with those things. So this is a fluid situation that's going on at this moment, because we're like, that's a really weird result. Is it just an anomaly? Which it very well could be. So now we have to rerun it, see if we get the same anomaly, and then start to hypothesize about where things may or may not have gone wrong, or if you will, right. And then we make some real discoveries about what's going on in the algorithm.